Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I am finally back with another makeup tutorial. So in this one I did this bold gold kind of look which is very appropriate for the upcoming wedding season plus any wedding function that you are going to attend. So I really hope you guys will enjoy this tutorial. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, I'm starting with the Wishful Honey Balm Moisturizer and lathering it up in my face so that my face is completely hydrated beneath the base, and it's a very important step. And then I'm going in with my Ella Girl Pro HD Concealer in the shade Fawn to color correct my face. This is my usual one and I always do use this one. You definitely know that this has been in my channel from the very beginning and it's a must-have in my makeup kit. I always use this, and this helps to conceal out the darkness of my dark circles. And then for the foundation, I'm going in with the Dior Forever Matte Foundation. So this is a foundation which is very dear to me because it just makes you look like dull skin. I don't know if anyone else actually feels like that. If you have used it, you will definitely can tell that this is amazing and it makes you look like you have like poreless and flawless porcelain like skin, and it's just one of the best foundation that I own. And then to highlight my face, I'm using the Juvia's Place concealers. I really do love these concealers because they are very hydrating. And then to set my entire face, I am going to be using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder, and along with that I will be doing my eyebrows off camera. And for the eyeshadow, today I'm using the Wild Obsession in Chameleon, if I'm not wrong. So this is a very berry toned and a very festive kind of palette. So with the help of this one, I am just first applying the transition shade, which was a very orangey kind of shade, and then to deepen my crease I used a berry tone shade, and later on for the lid I did a semi-cut crease and applied the Kaima Cosmetics glitter flakes, and for the outer V I applied the darker color. And then this is the completed look. I also did add a little bit of another Kaima Cosmetics glitter in my tear duct area, so that was the shade Phoenix. And then I finished off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills mascara and with some eyelashes. And now back to the face, we are going to be using this Hoola bronzer to kind of chisel up the face. I am just using the bronzer to kind of actually mimic the contour and everything. And for the blush, I'm using the W7 Candy blush. This is a very affordable blush, but it's very pigmented and it looks really nice. And then for the highlighter, I'm using Vain Beauty, I believe, highlighter. And then for the lips, I used a Huda Beauty lip contour in the shade warm brown, and then also another ColourPop lip liner which was Pitch, I believe. I did use the Pitch a little bit, it was not that intense. And then I used the Raja Huda Beauty Bullet, and then it's just the little bit of touch-ups, and this is the entire look. I also did use the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray to kind of fix my makeup, though I did not need that because I did not go anywhere, but it's a mandatory step if you're doing your makeup. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Setting Mist, and after that my makeup is done and this is the entire look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys did, let me know in the comments section below, and I'll be catching you guys again in my next video. Till then, you guys take care.